Manipur gi wang magi angak pa paung katang ma'am da share tawjage Gujarat nupi police SI ama rape ki accused gi case loisina ba lupa lakh kunthra ga manga demand tawrambagi maral la fakhre yamna tang na thokpa thawdo ama oina Gujarat nupi police sub inspector SI ama rape case ki accused ama dagi nampuda lupa lakh kunthra ga manga chana ba senja thumja tawna ba demand tawrambagi maral police na fakhre han agency gi pauna phongdorakli Mamang Saida nupi ama izat manghan bada siena ba accused ama dagi case manghan bige haiduna Ahmedabad West Mahila Police Station da station in charge oina thabak tawriba nupi police ki SI Sweta Jadejana case loisina ba lupa lakh kunthra ga manga demand tawromle haibigi complaint ama phangduna city crime branch na case ama lakhotlaga thigatpada praman phangbadagi nupi police officer adu prevention of antisocial activities act ki makhada detain tawkhibani hairi Crime branch ki FIR matung ina Ahmedabad ta based over Lanai company amagi managing director su oiriba rape accused Kenel Shana mark ki makhada thabak tawba nupi staff ama rape tawi haina company asigi nupi staff ani na complaint tawki haidi complaint adugo mari leinana thigatpada SI Sweetana accused asina lupa lakh kunthra ga manga piba tarabadi rape ki case tu kakkani haina mantikna ramagi langla langjin phangmangam khi kaina thangda demand tawriba senpham asidagi lupa lakh taraga manga taraga lakh kun oina piraga case solution ba haina nakal animakta yana ba masul lairami haiba khangle hairi lupa lakh kun asisu sahi sigi February thada SI Jadejana laure haibasu police interrogation da haidorakpadagi khangba ngamkhibaga loinena ngasi session court putholaba matungna nupi officer asi numit tare ningi police custody gi remand laukthakre haina paw asina makhata na su phongdorakli Loshilakpada paung khutang ma'am da share tawjaramge Chief Minister N Birena pairamba portfolio khara NPP gi Y Joy Kumar da pikhrei Deputy Chief Minister Y Joy Kumar da Finance Science amasum Technology and Economics and Statistics sinakhre aduga Chief Minister na Home Personnel Planning GAD Vigilance Transport Minor Irrigation Tourism Minority Affairs OBC and SC Information Technology Mahud Horticulture and Soil Conservation yauna atopa cabinet minister singna paidaba akhanaba phamsing khaktamak paihaure hainasu pawsina makhatari aduga ma'am in detail da hayang ayung anta hapsarage share video sa matang sa lusinjarage thank you